Chicago is a melting pot of flavors and international fare. Just west of Chinatown, about 3 miles from McCormick Place, you'll find the gem of the Pilsen neighborhood in the elevated Vietnamese cuisine of HaiSous. Welcome to HaiSous, the award-winning duo, Chef Tai and Danielle. Thank you so much for having us into this beautiful restaurant. You have such a unique story, and tell me about HaiSous.
To get started, HaiSous, Hai in Vietnamese means two. And Sous is what we used as currency back in the day, coins.
Sure.
And it was something that Danielle came up with, and we were just brainstorming. She was just like, well, 1 penny, 2 penny, and we were just, going on off of that name, and it just rolled off so easily, and so we named it HaiSous.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Where did this idea come from, and the inspiration for your food and all of that?
Tai and I met back in Virginia. After a couple of places where we worked together, we opened up our first restaurant, which was in the West Loop. We did progressive Asian food there, and I handled all the beverage. But here at HaiSous, we do a kind of a finer style of Vietnamese food here at HaiSous.
The whole premise of my cuisine is that, like every chef, you work in different kitchens, you learn from these chefs, you pick up technique, and then you develop technique of your own. And so I just picked up all these cooking skills already at really young age.
Yeah.
And once I became my own chef and confident in my cuisine, I just this is what I want to cook. I wanted to master manipulating fish sauce. So, these dishes here are all variations of one another.
Well, I have to say, it's incredible to watch you work. Someone who has mastered a craft like you have, there's so much art and passion in what you do and what you put into this food, and you can tell that you feel it from your roots level, from the little kid going, this is the type of food I always ate, but this is my version of it, and you're doing it with such precision and passion, and I love it. So you want to talk specifically about what we have here? Because it looks incredible. I can't wait.
This creation right here is the octopus salad. And so here we take tenderized octopus, we braise it, and then we mix it with eggplant. So you bring in a lot of flavor, and every single bite is different because of all the different herbs that you get, right? It just pops of flavor, and it's a great dish to get your palate going. Here, this one, I wanted to create this smokiness to it. So what we did was we cure it in a little salt and citrus, and then we smoke it. Yeah. And this one right here is my favorite. We take ribeye and we marinate it with palm sugar, and then grill it over the charcoal grill.
Wow.
So that is my favorite dish to eat, to snack on. I always love it when the cooks bring it up and I plate it and there's an extra piece.
Yeah.
That's mine.
That's yours? That's fantastic. Tell me about what you want people to experience when they come here.
I mean, obviously these dishes are prepared from the heart.
Right.
That's the prime goal. And the diners need to feel that from the second they walk in the door. This is not just a restaurant where we just make a dish and hope that a guest comes in and people are in and out. This is much more about heart. We really try to make sure that each experience is just as special as every individual dish.
So as far as the location goes, you're just about, just under 3 miles from McCormick Place, which is where our convention is.
Yeah.
About 5 months after you open HaiSous, you open up the coffee shop next door,
yes,
right? So tell me a bit about the coffee shop.
Yeah, we opened 2 restaurants in 1 year.
Yeah.
2 different concepts. So it's an all-day cafe. We do street food. We've got banh mi sandwiches. We're certainly known for banh mi's over there, where they make fresh pate. We do pickled papaya. We really load them up. We serve them warm. It's very important to do them the right way here.
Right. Sure.
Yeah.
Well, what an incredible story that both of you have, Chef Tai, Danielle. Thank you so much for sharing your experience today. And this food is absolutely amazing. If you're looking for incredible Vietnamese food that only Tai Dang can provide you, then you have to look into getting a reservation while you're here for the show for HaiSous.
You got it.
Right here in the Pilsen neighborhood. I can't wait to try this food. Thank you all so much again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time on Around Chicago. Do you like our Around Chicago series? Let us know. Leave a comment below and click subscribe to keep up to date on all the latest IMTS news. And as always, thanks for watching.